and welcome back to Rani Cooks Desi, where we do Indian cooking live and quick. So let's know what are we cooking today, what is the amazing dish that we are making today, and for that let's call upon one and only our chef Rani.
Hi Purva!
Hello.
How are you?
Good, nice to have you back.
I know, nice to be back.
Cool.
You know, it feels like I don't see my kitchen anymore. It's so much fun. Okay, guys, today we are going to cook. You know, tomatoes are in season. So one of our dear friend has a farm, and I went and got like tons of tomatoes. Okay, so this is dedicated to Amar and Poonam. Okay?
Oh, okay.
All right. So this is the tomato from their farm. Okay, and what I'm trying to cook is like, you know, usually people cook savory with dishes with tomato. I'm going to do a sweet one.
Sweet?
Okay. Yes.
Never had sweet tomato. Oh,
Okay. You should try it. Okay. You will try it.
Of course,
Okay.
yeah.
So today, you know, we'll start with 4 tomatoes, and the spices I'm going to use is cumin and pepper, red pepper, black pepper, black ground pepper. You know, it's best to ground it right away. You know, I usually don't like to use green chilies in this, but you can use green chilies if you want. And again, you can modify the recipe to your taste, whatever you want. I'll use turmeric and a cilantro powder. Okay, so and then of course there's always clarified butter, which I don't work without. Okay, and today for sugar we are going to use molasses, which is also you know, molasses is liquidy, but we in India we use sugar cane, you know, sugar, which is like jaggery, and that's what we are going to use.
Oh, so we are using jaggery, which is less refined and processed than
Exactly.
maybe normal sugar.
Exactly, it is. It's less processed and it's really rich in iron. Okay.
Awesome.
So
So we have our pan
and it's sizzling because I'll let it be hot. So okay, so I'll take it out,
okay.
and then, you know, so why don't we season it outside, because it's so hot. You don't want your cumin to burn, so I'll use cumin, and you can see it's sizzling right away. I'll put cilantro powder.
Okay.
Like-
We're directly putting it in the oil itself.
Oil itself.
Okay.
And for turmeric, you know, you can use slightly turmeric. Turmeric is really good for your inflammatory issues and any other, like it's an antibiotic, it's an antiseptic. So you know, you use turmeric with ghee and black pepper, and it's one of the way it's absorbed best. Okay, so now I'm going to move it. I'm going to turn it slow, the cooking range. I'm going to move it back. And Purva, you want to take the stirring?
Of course.
And I'll put like little red chili pepper.
Okay.
Okay.
And everything we're putting directly into our tampering.
Okay. And then I'll put my tomatoes, which I chopped.
Sign of good tampering.
I know. So I'm going to use sea salt today. Put a little salt
According to your taste.
according to your taste, which I think. Oh. Okay. And then of course jaggery.
Okay.
So, so jaggery again, you know. This is like really good tempering, guys. I'm so proud of Purva. I think it's her hand. Okay, I'm going to put like Purva. Okay. This is what real cooking looks like, and we'll cover it.
Okay.
Okay, and let it go for a good 2 minutes. You know, so I'm waiting for the tomatoes to soften, and you know, I forgot the black pepper. Okay, so here you go, black pepper.
So we've used normal spices that we use in every day, and of course we can add less.
And more according to your taste.
Right.
And you know, you don't need any water because there's enough water in the tomatoes. Okay, so
So now we look for jaggery to also like melt and
Exactly.
tomatoes to be soft. Okay. So Mausi, is this like a curry? like what do we pair it with?
So you can use it as a curry. You can use it with any of your breads, like your roti or paratha. The stuffed paratha. You can use
Oh,
it with.
yeah.
I personally love it with like my cumin rice
Mm-hmm.
and little yogurt. So it's like one of my to-go food. And you can use it if you again if you take a lot of water out, you can always use it as a spread.
Right.
So it tastes
So it will be
almost
sweet. Okay.
exactly.
Okay. So we can have it with like parathas or rice and like literally pair it like curry with anything.
Exactly.
Got it. So this is a different take on tomatoes. This is sweeter. This is on sweeter side.
Yes.
Okay.
And I think the black pepper is like, I can you smell the black pepper, Purva?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so the black pepper is really good. So I'm just waiting for the jaggery to melt a little bit, and then it's ready to go.
Right. It is one of again those few dishes which is like very quick, pretty
Exactly.
quick, and yes, maybe it will become your next comfort food. You can have it with like jeera rice.
Exactly. Now, because of COVID, like people don't have time between their meetings. So this is something which I do very fast and quick, and it just works wonders for me. And I think you should try it, and maybe it will work wonders for you too.
Mm-hmm.
So you can use regular white sugar if you want,
Right.
or any kind of like palm sugar or coconut sugar, or there's so many varieties that are available these days. So you can use it with anything.
So if we want to replace this jaggery that we've used today with the sugar, so would you say like
Exactly.
1 tablespoon sugar?
Yeah, I think 1 tablespoon is good.
Okay. And if we completely like skip the sugar, then it is like savory tomato, right?
Exactly. So yeah, you can use that too.
Oh, okay.
Purva doesn't eat too much sugar. I eat too much sugar. So
Right. So you can make it either way, like sweet or savory
exactly.
with normal spices and just using the tomatoes in season. Look at that bright red color.
Oh wow, it looks really good, Purva.
Yes. I
Oh.
think tomatoes are turning soft, mushy.
Yes. And it's so sometimes you have to force the jaggery. No, I'm kidding. And oh, it's ready to go.
Wow.
I think we don't want to start coughing again.
But you can smell the savoriness of tomatoes, black pepper.
Exactly. So let's see. Are you ready to taste it?
I am. I feel I like wait for these moments that I get to taste the dish afterwards.
And when Purva approves, that means I did good. So I'm going to just why not the whole thing, Purva?
Mm-hmm.
And let's season it a little with cilantro
Oh wow.
and
Yeah, Indian curries are kind of incomplete without cilantro, and
exactly.
there's never too much cilantro that you could use.
And cilantro actually has wonderful properties. It's cooling for your body, as I had said, and it's good for your digestion. It's really good, and it tastes good with Indian dishes.
Yes, look at this. Look at the colors, the bright red with the contrasting green of the cilantro. And I get to try the contrasting flavors of tangy tomato with the sweetness of jaggery.
Okay, it's very hot.
And may I say, very tasty.
Ah,
It's completely, it's very unique flavor with like tangy tomatoes and sweetened jaggery. And I think it will go great with the parathas and yogurt as you mentioned.
exactly. Especially in summer in the evening, it's awesome. And you can just eat it like that.
Yeah.
Actually.
Do try these guys. This is very quick and this is very unique flavor if you have not had like sweet tomatoes. And if you do not prefer your curries to be sweet, then go for a savory one.
Exactly.
Thank you again, Mercy,
Thanks
for teaching us such an amazing dish.
Thanks for coming to our channel. Thanks for watching us. And see you next time.
Thank you, everyone. Let us
Bye.
know if you liked it, how you liked it, and what else do you want to see. Thank you.
Bye. Bye.